Hey guys, it's Jess and welcome back to my channel. So much better. Let's take these off. Today's video is going to be a Sam's Club grocery haul. We are going to Sam's Club today and trying to stock up before we both start back to work. I'm going to share with you guys how I put my grocery list or how I set my grocery list to make sure I don't forget anything, because our Sam's Club is about an hour and 45 minutes away. So I definitely don't want to get there and come back home and realize I forgot something. So while Michael's getting ready, I'm getting our grocery list ready. I'll show you guys how I do that. But I will let you guys know everything we get today, and I'll try to show you guys through the store some of my favorite things to get at Sam's Club. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so this is how I do my grocery list. I just have a running little list right here on the side of my planner, and I'm going to break it down on this notepad. So I'm just going to break it down by either single package stuff, like these Rice Krispie treats come in little single lunch box kind of style snacks, or like the quick oats will probably come in a big container. I'll break those down by ounce to make sure I get the best bang for my buck. Okay, so we're up here, or almost up to Sam's Club, and I got my ring with me that Michael got me for Christmas. It's like a little pearl ring, but the pearl has fell off of it. So we're gonna go by Zale's and try to see if maybe they can fix it while we're up here. Might go by Trader Joe's and then go to Sam's Club on the way home. And we want to stop by and get orange leaf, because our orange leaf shut down and we've not had orange leaf in, well, since the last time we came up here. So we're gonna get orange leaf and might get something to eat while we're up here and then head back home. So on our way up there, we stopped at this really old house. I absolutely love it. It is massive and it's just drop dead gorgeous to me. So it's like on both sides. It's so pretty. So Michael had never seen the house before, so I wanted to take him by to look at it, and it is currently empty and nobody's doing anything with it. But as I walk through here, my mind just goes crazy with the endless possibilities on what this house could become. But I just absolutely love it. So let me know if you all love old houses as much as I do. My ring, and we're gonna go in and see if they can fix it. So I don't know if I'll try to show you guys the ring. Oh, Michael can do it. But it's so pretty. I don't know if it'll focus. But I've not been able to wear it because where my, I don't know if it's going to focus or not. Where my pearl is just kind of sitting on top of there, it pops out. And I don't want to take a chance on losing it. So we're going to go here and see if they can fix it. So we did get my ring fixed. We had to get the insurance plan on it, so now I can send it off anytime whenever anything needs to be fixed on it. And this was just the massive candy store outside of Zale's, and I thought it was really cool. I've never seen one of these before.
It was I know, that's what I'm saying. It was a weird song, but I had never heard it. But it was on the rock station. I guess for all the, and that's
I just want one. Yeah. Michael. Okay, so we went to Orange Leaf and got some frozen yogurt. This is mine.
That's mine.
That's mine. Or that's Michael's. But Does everybody like fill theirs up like this, or is it just us? I don't know. I feel like we're the only ones that like pile it on.
Gotta get your money's worth.
And then we never get it. So when we get it, we get like a ton. Like we want to get as much as we can. I know I'm dripping. Okay, bye.
So that's what really happens.
Okay, so we are heading home and we got some canes. Raising canes. And I got the three-piece.
So it's okay.
I got the three-piece chicken tender and some high-C. And then Michael got the four-piece chicken tender with some extra cane sauce.
And high-C.
So we're heading back home and I will show you what's all in our back seat when we get to the house. Woo-hoo. Okay, so this is everything we got at the store. I'll kind of run through all of it and let you guys know what all we got. We stocked up on a ton of stuff. Okay, so starting off, we got some Italian green beans because these are like some of my favorite green beans. They are so good with like smoked sausage and mashed potatoes. And then we got some Crisco's for like cakes and if we want to fry things. Got some On the Border Cantina Thins. I've been making the creamy jalapeno dip from Chewy's. And if you've ever went to Chewy's, they have super, super thin chips. So I thought we'd give these a try. I'll show you what I got at Trader Joe's in a second. We got these 3 big bottles of ketchup. Got some instant coffee. Got these 2 big bottles of ranch. A big bunch of bananas. Got some Sunny sweet barbecue sauce. Got a bunch of Nutella over here. We got 3 of these Nesquik drink mixes because Michael wanted one for his house and I wanted one for here. And then over here in this box, we've got these sweet and salty nut granola bars. Michael loves these and they're really good to have like for him to take to work just as a snack if he gets hungry. And then, of course, if you went to Red Lobster, you've got to love their biscuits. We got some Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. Got some deodorant. This comes in a pack of 5 for like $11. And at the store, it's like $3.99 a bottle. Or $3.99 for a... No, I think it's like $4.99 maybe for a 2-pack. So, it's a little bit cheaper to get it there. We have never tried this Yum Yum sauce, but it was like $5 and we thought we'd give it a shot. I've never had it. In the place that we have Yum Yum sauce here, it doesn't look like this. It's like a white Yum Yum sauce. And then I got these Oral-B refills for my toothbrush. You get 2 of these in a pack from Walmart, I believe for $20 some. So this was extremely cheap compared to that. I think this whole thing was like $36. So instead of getting like 4, you're getting like 4 more free. And then Michael likes fluffy Q-tips. So he got some of these Q-tip brands cotton swabs. Oh, and then we got these 2 big 12-pound bags of all-purpose flour. I use all-purpose a lot with baking. So this was like, compared to Kroger, you got like 2 pounds free. So we went ahead and got these. Okay, and if I can get this open. There it goes. Okay. For freezer stuff, we got this big bag of broccoli florets. It comes in 4 16 ounces, like 4 16-ounce microwavable bags, but it's the florets, not the cups, like cuts and stems. Oh, trying to throw those out of the way. And then I got these Kraft singles. It was 82 slices, I believe for like $7, so it was a lot cheaper there than at Kroger. And then we have never tried these before, but it is the Jimmy Dean Crescent sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches. And it made these a little less than $1 a piece. So I got some of them just for some like quick breakfast meals, or even if we want one for like lunch or possibly dinner. I don't know. Just a quick really simple meal that we could pop in the microwave and have done in like 90 seconds. A couple of my favorite things from Sam's Club that we get though is this Nesquik drink mix. It's a ton cheaper at Sam's Club and it don't go bad. It has a really long shelf life, so I can't find the expiration date. I don't even know where it's at. But it has a really long shelf life, so that's something that you can kind of stock up on and just have in your pantry. This ranch is something we love to stock up on. It is just in like 2 40-ounce bottles, and it's quite a bit cheaper there than at the store. And then another big buy, if you use Crisco for anything, it is so much cheaper. You get double the Crisco for, I believe, like $1.50 like difference. Like this is $1.50 more than what you can get at Kroger, and you get double the amount. So that's an amazing deal. It is so much cheaper than at Kroger. And then this all-purpose flour, like I said, you get 2 free pounds. So if you use a ton of flour, then this is a really good buy too. And we don't normally get this, but this time I just thought it would be a really good thing to buy and stock up on since I'm baking so much. And then I never got these before, but I don't know how much they are in Kroger or Walmart, but they were like $11.50 something for 12, so they were less than $1, so that's a really good deal, I think, too. But I'm going to put all this stuff up, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. So I just want to thank you all so much for coming and spending some time with me today. It means the absolute world to me. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell and that like button so you won't miss out on a single one of my videos. But if you all have some of your Sam's Club favorites that you want to share with me, I would love to try them. Just leave it down in the comments below. And that's all I have for today, and I will see you all in the next one.